Here we will write a program to find a perimeter of a rectangle by using parameterized constructor. So in comment line we will write first formula for finding perimeter is 2 into length of a rectangle into width of a rectangle. Since we are going to use parameterized constructor, first we will declare a class perimeter and I will define a constructor. Since we are going to accept length and width, I will declare two variables L and W for length and width respectively. We are going to use parameterized constructor, so I will declare constructor first with two parameters and I will assign these constructor parameter to our local variables. So this dot L equal to L and this dot W equal to W. Then we will write a method public void rectangle perimeter and I will calculate and I will print perimeter of a rectangle . Two into L into W. In main method I will create object of our class perimeter. Since while creating an object we have to pass the parameters for constructor. First I will declare two variables length and width and I will accept it from user. Enter length and I will accept it in L by converting it to integer 32. Then I will accept width of a rectangle in W and then I will create object for our class perimeter. Since it using parameterized constructor, we have to pass the value for length and width and I will execute the method rectangle perimeter from that class. Then we will execute this method. It will accept length of a rectangle, then width of a rectangle and it will print the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into 5 into 4. So in this program we have declared the class, then we have declared this constructor. Here we have declared the constructor with parameter. The value of a constructor variable I save in local variable. I will calculate perimeter of a rectangle. I will calculate perimeter of a rectangle and to execute this class I have created the object of the class in main method and I execute the rectangle perimeter method from the perimeter class.